Hi Ron, let's talk about the battery company ESS or the SPAC company Aiken S2. There's not so many fundamental information because the SPAC, as you know, they just all the investment money that they collected, they just put on the capital to the new company, which is in this case ES Battery, is made primarily of iron, salt, and water, which are readily available and safe resources. The battery stores energy for between 4 and 12 hours, a time frame that pairs well with the renewable energy sources such as solar and wind. So here you see, so actually this is not new cases when the SPAC companies are merging with each other with the real business, and this is actually one of the good deals because the stock made already, I guess, if we open since the day 153%. So this is actually very good deal. This have been on its price, yeah, so they had been from the market December 4th when they started, yeah, and then after they announced the merger they just pumped up. So this is pretty good, so happy they got this contract. And as I said, there's no any price targets. I didn't find any price predictions. Unfortunately, there's also not so much on the fundamentals, and even Finviz doesn't find it. And of course, simple save dividends as well. The news is saying the user momentum attracts 57 million in investment from powerful bakers including Bill Gates and SoftBank. Your Eric told CNBS. Now it goes public via SPAC to get trading Monday on the, yeah, so basically they got the yesterday. It hopes to raise 308 million through the deal. There have been very few solutions for the long duration up until now, and it's largely given from the fact that we didn't rely on energy storage as a major solutions for hardening the system. The company was launched back in 2011, Portland. The Russian co-founders, who are married couple, were business partners and moved from Portland State Business Accelerator before expanding to its current 200,000 square foot headers. The company is, yeah, so actually if we look at the numbers, so I usually like to analyze the numbers. The company lost 245 million in the first 6 months of 2021, but operating losses were only 18 million. The remainder was due to losses on reevaluation of warrant and derivative liabilities. Operating losses were 17.4 million. The company expects to record its profit in 2023. Iron, salt, and water, safe, readily available materials. Let's look other numbers. So there's a reconciling temperature, we hope. Yeah, both are potentially short supply globally. And so there's a technical side of the iron flow battery, but let's check only the numbers. Batteries can store energy for 4 to 12 hours, as I already say. Let's check the containers hold 500 kilowatt hours of energy. That's roughly the energy that could need to power 20 to 30 homes, depending on where you are in the country. The big challenge, and I think kindly very, very large, working 10,000 times harder than it has to all the time. He said it's have been very difficult But let's have the look at the, yeah, so there's just so little of the information. ESS raised approximately in result of this deal. So here's the only number that we know. Anyway, I guess they have a lot of potential, but remember that these kind of stocks are pretty highly volatile. We just need to know the capitalization and the market, how much from the market they own. I'm not sure why didn't they provide this kind of information. For example, that they are holding this kind of percentage from the market, and with the SPAC they could expand a lot more and so on, so the future potential. But anyway, this is currently all-time 164%, pretty nice. And yeah, I didn't find it even on the investing.com, unfortunately. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the future one.